Okay, so for these integers, you notice that you have some negative signs. So the rule is if you have an odd amount of negatives, then that is equal to a negative number. If you have an even amount of negatives, then that is the same, that makes it a positive number. Okay, so that's the rule. So here we go. You have 3. So is 3 odd or even? Odd. So your answer is going to be negative. So you're going to move to the left from 0. And when you move to the left, you have to find 8/10. So what are we working with? It looks like the tick marks are what? Going up by, like, how many jumps
the
is
interruption
it?
and good morning.
Hold
There
on. All right. So starting at 0, we're going to hop and figure out how many hops to get to one hole. Remember our notes yesterday was find 0, find how many hops until you get to one hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 hops. So this one jump must be a tenth. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, and so on and so forth. That makes sense because our denominator is 10. So go ahead and go to the left 8/10 and put a dot. All right, let's look at the next one. So is that an odd amount of negatives or an even amount? Okay, so we're going to have a negative number. So we need to find 3/5. So let's think about this. How many hops did we say was between 0 and 1? 10, right? So at this point, if we have to find 3/5, what's equivalent?
This is 3/5.
Where are you at? Oh, no, that's 3/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 hops. So that's 3/10. So how do you find 3/5? What is 3/5 equivalent to with the denominator 10? How do you get from 5 to 10?
You gotta count.
What would you multiply by? I,
10.
I love you, yes. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 3 times 2 is 6. So you need to find 6/10 because 6/10 is the same as 3/5. It is a scale up by a factor of 2. All right, so how many negatives do you have?
3.
So that will be a negative number because 3 is odd. So
This stuff be tricking you.
So you need to find negative 0.8. So what is 0.8? Think about your decimals. Is that the ones place, the tenths place, the hundredths place?
It's a tenth place.
Yes, that's the tenths place with a THS. So 8 over 10. So where would that be?
Right there.
Yep. All right.